Hello students. Today we'll be discussing about a new topic. So earlier you might have discussed about Sheldon's three types of traits, that ectomorph, mesomorph, endomorph. ठीक है जी. So basically all the psychologists have given the same definitions of different type of people, almost same, but some are having a different type of views. So today we'll be discussing about Big Five theory of personality. Big Five theory of personality. ठीक है? It is the topic in your book, so we'll be discussing about this thing today. So there are 5 theories of personality. If you go through internet also, na, the same 5 theory, it is a very famous theory. They have also characterized a person into 5 groups. What kind of person is having, what kind of person he is or she is. So different types of characteristics the person is having. So they have mentioned it like that. So I'll start with full extraversion. Extraversion characterized excitability, sociability, talkativeness, assertiveness, and high amount of emotional expression. In this kind of theory, the people who are characterized in this kind of theory, who are extroverted, means they are kind of excitable. They get excited very easily to do any work. Okay? Suppose they want to do any work, so they get very excited. Suppose we have a social काम ही करना, they are very social. कि that are लंगर लाना, we want to organize one लंगर. They said ठीक है लाओ, we should start it. ठीक है जी, they agree within no time. ठीक है, so they get excited, they get social, they are very social, they are very talkative also. They try to, they always want to express themselves. And they try to control, try to express them and talk to every person nicely, and they express their every emotions with others. Next is assertiveness. The word given in you, assertiveness means jede pakke raate lage. The people, those who are having firm decisions, ki this thing we have started and we'll be completing that. They don't leave anything in middle. They have, if they have started with one work, they'll complete that thing. And a high amount of emotional expression, and they express their emotions with great zeal, with great happiness. People who are high extroversion are outgoing and tend to gain energy in social situation. Like it is certain people who are high extroversion and are outgoing, and they are outgoing. They love nature. They keep on moving from one place to another, and they gain energy from social situations. Whatever they see, कि यार आप बहुत चंगा काम कर रहे हैं, this person is doing very good work, they try to adapt that work. They want that these things I also should do, so that they should be satisfied in their life. So people who are low in extroversion tend to move reserved and hate to expend energy in social setting. People, those who are not having this kind of nature or theory, it is very, so they are not social. They never want to spend their energy in any person. The person who is not extroversion, or introvert, we can extrovert or introvert, two people. So the people who are or introvert, they don't want to express themselves, and they don't want to help anyone. We are happy with our life. So next is agreeableness. Agreeableness means the personality dimension includes attributes such as trust, altruism. Altruism means the person who is always concerned about others' happiness. जेड़ा सिर्फ दूसरे की खुशी लिए काम करता है. They always feel happy when they help others. This is the main feature of the agreeableness. The word come altruism means the person who is always feel happy कि यार I should help that person. He is in need of my help. और राह जाते भी हेल्प करता है, घरे आए दी भी हेल्प करता है. सो these people are very less in our life. ठीक है जी. Next is kindness, affection and other pro-social behavior. Pro-social means intent to benefit others. कि pro-social ਜਿਹੜੇ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਦੀ society 'ਚ help ਕਰਨ ਨੂੰ ਹੀ ਬੈਠੇ. They are always ready to help any time. कि आओ ठीक है यार, I'll help you. जितनी मेरी मदद हुई I'll do it. ठीक है. So this is the people are high in agreeable tend to more cooperative, which is while those low in triad tend to move more competitive and even manipulative. ਜਿਹੜੇ ਲੋਕ ਇਸ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਕੋਲ ਇਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰੈਕਟਰਿਸਟਿਕ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਉਹ ਕੀ ਕਰਦੇ ਆ, ਲੋਕਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਲਾਰਾ ਲਾਉਣਾ ਯਾਰ ਕਰ ਦਿਆਂਗੇ ਜੀ ਵਿਲ ਡੂ ਯੋਰ ਵਰਕ ਬਟ they never do them or they try to get away from that situation. ਉਹ ਲਾਰਾ ਲਾ ਰਹੇ ਆ ਸਰ. ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਜੀ. ਜਿਹੜੇ ਜਿੰਨਾ ਜੇ ਟਰੈਟ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦਾ. ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਜੀ. Next is conscientiousness. Conscientiousness is these types of people. Conscientiousness ਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਹੁੰਦਾ the people those who want to do one work at one time. ਦੋ ਬੇੜੀਆਂ 'ਚ ਸਵਾਰ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦੇ. ਆ ਵੀ ਕਰ ਲਈਏ, we should do that work also. No. They'll start one work and they'll not stop until or unless that work is completed, and they'll not take over the another thing until or unless that work is completed. Some people what they do कि आ भी काम शुरू कर लिया, फिर आ फाइल शुरू कर ली, then they call यार आ काम कर लिए, then they start another work and they keep on moving from then one work is also incomplete and another work is also incomplete. So that doesn't solve that problem. So the people with this kind of theory which of personality, conscientiousness, standard features of dimension include high level of thoughtfulness with good impulse control and good directed behavior. Means they are directed toward their goal. कि जेड़ा काम शुरू कीता I have to complete it. They are goal oriented. कि this thing I have to complete in stipulated time and within limits. ठीक है जी. So those high on conscientiousness tend to organize the mind full of details. So they have to start that work. Suppose you have to start one business. You must actually line up that goal competitive even mindful of details. Means that person is having full knowledge of that work. कि I have to start that work. If the person don't have any knowledge about that work, how will he complete that work? वो तो fail हो जाएगा. He won't be able to complete that work within time. So ठीक है जी. Or he'll fail. So again I'll repeat, the people those who are having this kind of personality, conscientiousness means they want quality of work done and they don't switch over to another work and they keep on sticking to one work until and unless that work is completed. ठीक है जी. Next is neuroticism. Neuroticism triad characterized by sadness, moodiness, emotional instability. Individuals who are high in triad tend to experience mood swings. In this kind of they are having different kind of impulse. ठीक है. They are moody. Their mood keep on changing from one time to another. ठीक है जी. देखो लिखा है their mood swing, anxiety means they keep on feeling कि मेरे नाल की होगा, मैं काम करूँगा कि नहीं, I'll be able to complete that work in time or not. Anxiety आ जाती है. Anxiety means uneasiness feeling before any of the competition or any of the activity, adventurous work you want to do. So any work, ठीक है. Moodiness, irritability and sadness. And when they are not able to do that work or they keep on thinking about that negativity, then they get irritated very easily and the sadness becomes in their life. कि यार मेरे तो काम नहीं हो रहा, why I am not completing that work. ठीक है जी. Those low in this trait tend to more stable emotional resilience. So जिन्ना का trait नहीं होता, वो people they keep on helping themselves. वो काम करते ही रहते ताकि they should complete that time that work in time. Next is openness. Openness का मतलब क्या है? The openness means that a person who is very honest. The person who is very honest and he is ready to talk about your feelings also. Openness means खुला दिल, खुला दिमाग. Means if you are having any problem, suppose, and you go to any of the friend of your friend कि यार मैनू आ problem है ते मैं दुखी feel कर रहा अड़ा देखो जी ये तो ऐ कहता वो तो ऐ कहता, he'll make fun of your emotions. But नहीं, the people having this kind of personality, openness, ठीक है जी, means openness, means the person having this kind of personality, they always try to listen to any person's emotions. कि दसो यार की problem है, and they don't discuss their emotions with others. What the psychologist भी यही कर दे. देखो suppose any person is having any kind of problem, depression, jajab question, some they go to psychologist, clinical psychologist, and they try to interact with them, and psychologists they try to solve their problems with their feelings, and they try to understand what kind of nature that person is having when the person tells them anything कि यार sir this is the main problem, I am under depression. Then counselor जेड़ा वो psychologist, he counsels that person so that he should get rid of that stress as early as possible. ठीक है जी, and they don't disclose this, जेड़े psychologists होते हैं, they don't disclose anything of yours to other people. ठीक है जी. So the triad feature criteria of imagination and insight, and those high in triad also tend to have broad range of interest. Broad range of interest means कि they are interested in listening to your talks or your emotions, कि what you are trying to say. People who are high in triad tend to more adventurous and creative. When they talk to any person, they'll be more interactive, and they will be more social, and there will be more they'll be knowing about every person. तो किन्नी रिसर्च की थी उस बंदे ने, हर बंदे ना गल कर रहा, he'll be knowing about different persons, characteristics, different features, different personalities, and his life will be very refined. ठीक है जी. People low in this triad are much more traditional and may struggle with abstract thinking. Means they जिਵੇਂ ਆਪਾਂ कहते हैं ना रूढ़ीवादी सोच, the people those who don't have this kind of triad, openness, they are reserved in nature. They don't want to discuss anything, so that they don't want that anything should be discussed about other life to them. They always stick to their life only. ठीक है, this is the meaning of last line, कि often triad or of the people low in this triad are often much more traditional and may struggle with abstract thinking, or different thinking they feeling ਦੇ ਮਾਲਕ ਹੁੰਦੇ कि यार मैं नहीं ये काम कर सकता, मैं नहीं किसी ਨੂੰ ਸੁਣ ਸਕਦਾ. ठीक है जी. So it is important to know that each of the 5 personality factors represent a range between 2 extremes. For example, extroversion represent a continuum between extreme extroversion and extreme introversion. So there are many types of people in the life you will be meeting, because now that you are a student, upcoming years you will be meeting new people, new friends, and sometimes they say that the friends you will make now in this adult life, after the adult life, they can remain with you for your whole life, because you will be more experienced now. ਤੁਹਾਡੇ experience ਵੱਧ ਜਾਣਾ, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੋਸਤ ਚੰਗੇ ਚੁਣੋਗੇ. You'll come to know that this person is good, this is bad. He'll not tell anything about my feelings to others. So suppose you are expressing anything to one person, ਉਹ ਸਵੇਰੇ Facebook ਤੇ ਤਾਂ ਨਹੀਂ ਪਾ ਦੂਗਾ ਤਾਂ ਐਂ ਕਹਿੰਦਾ. So you must know about your friends, ਕਿ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਵਿੱਚ ਕਿਹੜਾ ਬੰਦਾ ਤੁਹਾਡੇ friend ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਟ੍ਰੈਟ ਨੇ, ਕਿ ਜਿਹੜਾ which is the person who is very helpful to you anytime you call. ठीक है जी. So we have discussed about this 5 theories of personality. So next topic of motivation and its techniques, we'll be discussing it later. So again my advice to you people is study hard, because your boards are coming, will be coming within 6 months or 7 months. Only half of the time is left. So don't waste your time. Okay? So thank you very much.